Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mercedes Benz C Class. Start by choosing a clear side photo and mark the wheelbase line in light pencil. Sketch 2 circles for wheels with correct spacing and add a center line for the car body. Block the main roof, hood, and trunk shapes using simple rectangles and curves to establish proportions before refining details and contours. Work from big shapes to small details as you shape the car body. Smoothly connect the roofline to the trunk and hood, keeping the proportions consistent with the wheelbase. Add gentle character lines along the doors to suggest form and muscle. Keep strokes light until you are satisfied, then darken the final outlines and add minor trims like door handles and mirror mounts for a realistic look. Focus on the front grille and headlamp geometry to capture the C-Class personality. Use a sharp pencil for emblem details and softer leads for reflective panels. Shade gradually to show curvature, blending with a tissue or stump for smooth transitions. Emphasize contrast near edges and keep highlights by preserving white paper areas, then step back and adjust values until the car reads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.